All right, ladies and gentlemen, a very quick market update. So today is October 27 PST time. So we do have like a couple pairs that who played out this Monday. So number one is USD HUF. All right, so HUD USD SUF. Excuse me. So we seen this a beautiful lower high, then potential low, sorry, lower low, lower high, lower low, potential lower high. Then we are looking um um having a rejection on this key level support and resistance. We do have one touch, two touch, three touch, I would say count as four touch. For me, this is valid because we have like two or more um, touch on our key level. And daily, I would say daily is um, bearish. This is a structure, right? So higher high, higher low. We do have a break, lower low, potential lower high. On potential lower high, we do have this rejection on the um, daily EMA. We do have this beautiful once again area of interest: one, two, three, four, five. All right, so if we are above, we are buying. If we are above, we are buying. If we are below, we are selling. If we are below, we are selling. And this one right here, if we are below, we are selling. So on 4 hour time frame, I saw this pretty much forming. I could count this as a lower high, lower low. Again, if I'm gonna count this as the structure, or let's say if you're gonna count this a higher high, because I mean, this is like the actual price action. We already have a break on this area right here. So this is lower low, potential lower high on the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame lower high, we are looking for entry signal, right? So again, this is mystery because this is Sunday. This one have a break already. Then it came back around Sunday 10:30 PST. Then we do have a liquidity swept around this area at London session. If you are looking at 15 minutes, 15 minutes still on bearish. Why bearish? Because this is a lower low, lower high, lower low. Let me show it to you. Lower high, lower low. Then we do have this accumulation. One of my entry is having an accumulation break and retest. So you can really enter right here 12:30 at London session. But when I was like, the reason why I missed this trade because this is the actual, supposedly I'm about to pull the trigger on this side, but but I was like, okay, let me just put some double confirmation. I want another bearish around this area, then I will put a trigger on it, but it doesn't give me a double confirmation. um and then when I saw this, right, that right here, I was like, oh, there's like a big bullish candles, and I was like, okay, as long as this one is not gonna be broke, then this trade still be a valid. Then I was like, okay, we do have a potential higher high, then I was like, okay, if the market break on this area, then am I gonna wait for a retest? Then I will pull a trigger. But this trade doesn't give me a pullback on the lower time frame, even though an hour doesn't give me a pullback, right? But supposedly you could really enter a trade around this area right here, even though here stop loss above could be up like around 3 RR, or if you are at 50 minutes you would say enter here, stop loss above, then you're still gonna be on this rate around 2.2, right? You have a nice daily closure, so possibly swing could be 6 point RR. So yeah, right now this trade still I'm still gonna wait for this. This trade will still gonna be valid for me if this one have a retest. Then on the retest, if this one's give me quick, a nice entry signal, then I will pull the trigger, because we still have more more room to this pair is going to go down. USD, yeah, USD HUF mixed trade, Euro GBP, this one right here. We have a retest in this area. Trigger was, alarm was trigger. This is kind of a day trading setup. 2 hour is bullish as well. 1 hour is bullish, right? Entry signal will be right here. So we have lower low, then accumulation. We have a break, right? Then I'm waiting to have a retest, but retest give me um around 10:45. Then you can still be like up probably. Let me see here. Yeah, around this area, 2.55. So this one is a day trading setup. Um, Another mistrade again. Let me see if, oh, Euro AUD. So this one another mistrade. The reason why it's I call it mistrade because when the market opened around this area, right? So I was putting my area of interest right here. So we do have a lower high, lower low on this potential um let me see, potential lower high in the 4 hour. Once again, all we need to wait is the shift of structure, or what we call the chokch, or what we call a shift of break of structure. So we do have this, oh, we do have a break right here already. So I would say we do have accumulation, right? Accumulation, well, accumulation in that area. So let's see, this is Friday, yeah, Sunday. When the market open, right? The market push down right away. So it could be like up 2.5 RR. That would be the ideal one. Yeah, it is what it is. If Euro AUD give me pullback pullback on the 4 hour or daily time frame, then I will pull a trigger on this one. Okay, so US oil. I never trade US oil, but right now US oil is having this pretty much head and shoulder, right? Right. I want this one to break, retest. On the retest, I'm waiting for bullish on lower time frame. Then on the bullish around retest and at this area, I will wait for, let's say, bullish to have a pullback. then wait for breakup structure, engulfing bearish, then I will pull a trigger on that. Euro GBP again, once again, I'm just gonna watch this one. This is a missed trade. They got CHF looking good to be honest, but all I need is, man, I will wait for break 4 hour and then retest. USD. All right, this could be the trade for tonight. So I'm gonna put this one on the top. Okay, we have a break already in the 4 hour daily. I would say you see this is pretty nice. This is looking good. All right, so what are we waiting on this USD CHF, right? So we do have a break already for 4 hour. On that 4 hour, I'm expecting that on the lower time frame we'll have a bullish price action. Then on the bullish price action, market will be shift. Then bearish engulfing, and I'll pull a trigger on that. So for right now, patiently waiting. NZD USD, NZD USD. All right, we have a week pullback. Daily still bearish. 4 hour, all I need is to shift of structure. Euro USD. So this one, all right, I would say daily I need bearish engulfing, but in order to have a bearish engulfing, I need to wait the 4 hour to shift and then pull back, and then when the daily close, that on the daily close and then the 4 hour shift, you can really see that the daily is forming doji or bearish engulfing. AUD CHF. All right, so this one's still waiting for 4 hour shift structure. At the same time, I need to wait the close of the daily candle. Euro AUD currently waiting for pullback. GU waiting for pullback again. CAD GPY waiting for pullback. UJ waiting for pullback. AU waiting for, you know what? Be honest, this one have a pullback and then give a shift structure. I might gonna pull this trigger right here. AUD. Same thing. AUD and ZD. Market shift as a bullish. 4 hour bullish. All I need is to wait the shift. I'm gonna put this one on the top as well. Am I gonna play out tonight? GU. Okay, waiting for pullback. Man, USD and could be up right now. 2RR. Jesus Christ. SGD waiting for pullback. Euro NOK waiting for pullback. GBP waiting for pullback. All right, let's just be patient once again. If the market didn't give us an opportunity, so no trade, all you need to do is, wait for the market.